Hello friends, today I am going to discuss with you some subjects related to BBA classes. Some proper subjects related to BBA are Principle of Management, Business Economics, Accounting, Financial and Management Accounting. Next is Business Mathematics, Marketing Management, Statistics, Operation Research, Production and Material Management. Today, first we will discuss about our chapter 1, that is Introduction to Principle of Management. Chapter number 1, Introduction to Principle of Management. Managers make things happen through strategic and entrepreneurial leadership. What's in it for me? Reading this chapter will help you to do the following. Learn who managers are and about the nature of their work. Know why you should care about leadership, entrepreneurship and strategy. Know the dimensions of the planning, organizing, leading, controlling. In short form, it is known as POLC framework. Learn how economic performance feeds social and environmental performance. Understand what performance mean at the individual and group levels. Create your survivor's guide to learning and developing principles of management. We are betting that you already have a lot of experience with organizations, teams and leadership. You have been through schools, in clubs, participated in social and religious groups, competed in sports or games, or taken on full or part-time jobs. Some of your experience was probably pretty positive, but you were also likely wondering sometimes, isn't there a better way to do this? Yes guys, we always think like this in our life as it moves on. After participating in this course, we hope that you will find the answer to be yes. While management is both art and science, with our help, you can identify and develop the skills essential to better managing your and others' behavior where organizations are concerned. Before getting ahead of ourselves, just what is management, let alone principle of management? A manager's primary challenge is to solve problems creatively, and you should view management as the art of getting things done through the effort of other people. We draw this definition from a biography of Mary Parker Follett, written by P. Graham. Mary Parker Follett, Profit of Management, Boston, Harvard Business School Press, 1995. Follett was an American social worker, consultant and author of book on democracy, human relations and management. She worked as a management and political theorist, introducing such phases as conflict resolution, authority and power, and the tasks of leadership. The principle of management then are the means by which you actually manage, that is, get things done through other, individually, in group or in organization. Formally defined, the principle of management are the activities that plan, organize and control the operation of the basic element, means people or materials, machine, methods, money and market, providing direction and coordination and giving leadership to human effort so as to achieve the sought objectives of the enterprise. Here is a picture given which is describing 14 principles of Henry Fayol. Number 1 is division of work. Then comes authority and responsibility. Number 3 is discipline. Number 4 is unity of command. Then comes unity of direction, interest of people, remuneration, centralization. Next comes scalar chain. Then order, equity of all, stability of the term or tenure, initiative and spirit de corps. So that's all for today. We will continue with our next session in the next class.